All right, Timothy Holt with Holt's Custom Countertops. Here is a new countertop installation that I'm going to be working on this week. The homeowners here have asked for a smoke marble finish, and we have three pieces. This one is about 9 feet. This one's going to be kind of interesting. I'm looking forward to it. Instead of being a sharp angle there, we're going to round it off with an overhang. See how that looks, and definitely looking forward to that. And then our L here with the sink. We've already got the ram board down and the plastic prepped. Now it's time to bring in the countertops and get them final shaped and sized out. And this is our big L piece here for the homeowners. Everything seems to be going pretty well until we notice this. Right there. It's the countertop's upside down. But you see that right there? That is not 3/4 of an inch. This is, and this is. They were on the same stack at the big box store, so always check your materials and make sure they are the same. Because when I flip this over, I'm going to have a lot of work to do to get this countertop flat. Alright, day one is done. The countertops are in and they are primed. A lot of work. A lot of work. I do like how the sink is looking though, and I really like this corner one right here. Yeah, looks nice. There's the backsplashes, and we're going to come back tomorrow and get some resin poured. The homeowner is pretty happy with how color looks. We went with a silver veining. Do like how the surface is turning out. This is an 8-foot countertop. This one is just over 11 feet with an L at the end. We're going to be putting in an undermount sink right there, which should look pretty nice. These are the backsplashes. In general, I'm not a fan of backsplashes, but these turned out pretty nice. I do like them. But we've got some nice flow and veining there. And then this is definitely my highlight piece. We've got a contoured edge with a defined vein right there. So next step is clear coat. At the client's house, came in today, and I was not happy from a technical standpoint with this pour. There's number of issues, mostly with countertops. I've addressed them with better edge prep. There seem to be all kinds of little specks and black spots on the edge. It just looked terrible when walking in the door. So I'm, at my expense, I'm doing another color pour for the client to take care of this edge work. And my goal is to make sure they're happy with the end result. So stay tuned. We're going to be putting another color on this. It's going to be the same basic finish, a white base with some black and gray highlights throughout. So should look nice. I still like that countertop right there. This is the second color pour on this countertop. The first one did not turn out well, especially the leading edges. And that is a risk taken with resin. Sometimes it just doesn't work. So this long buffet counter here, we're just waiting for the resin to set up a little more and get thicker. It's still a little wet to be pulling that tape down. But over here, loving how the edge is looking on our sink. Check that out. That is just so beautiful. Definitely looking forward to getting the sink in here and the backsplashes on. The homeowners, I'm hoping will really like this much better than the first pour. But let me know what you guys think. Was it worth going over again? And what's your thoughts? This edge looks substantially better. Actually, all of them do, than the first coat. The homeowners have looked at it. They also like the edge work much better. I mean, check that out. That just looks so much nicer than it did with that first coat. I'm glad I went ahead and did a second coat for them. at the end of the day, I want them to be happy. It's their kitchen. They need to live with it. But this edge is just night and day difference. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Night and day difference. Same with the one as you come in the door. You're going to see much better. So let me know what you think. And do you like these countertops? I like them. I'm digging how that undermount sink's going to look. So yeah, very nice. Clear coat is on. It is dripping nicely. Looks good. The backsplash is in. Next time I'm here, I'll be putting in the sink. Should look good. I do like this much better than the first time around. I think it looks substantially better and will function nicely for the homeowners. Right there is that undermount sink. I do like the edge work around the sink, so I'm excited to be putting that in about 7 days. Alright, so this is the Slippery Rock kitchen. We have the buffet counter here. Ran into some issues with some dry spots. Did an extra clear coat on it. Really like having it turned out. I like how the backsplash and the counter meet up right there. Also, over here we have our L with the undermount sink. I do like the undermount sink. I think it turned out really nice with the edge work all the way around. The client picked out this beautiful faucet, and I think it complements extremely well. Coming around to the L and the range, this is by far my favorite piece of this project. This end cabinet here with the semicircle edge. There is quite a bit of lip on it, and it was a challenge to make it and get it just right, but I really like it.